Northeast Dialogue to Member Taramnokshiri. Hello and welcome to Northeast Dialogue of Northeast Window, a dialogue to connect the people of Northeast. Ngasigi oina thamjariba topic say demand for ST status ni aduga ngasigi thamjariba dialogue topic si dekhana bi gidaba ki studio the election le vi ki expert panel Taramnokshiri amchige kundu buchari ahmad Taramnokshiri manipur saknai raba socio-political commentator aduga prominent public figure ni ekoi pabung pasongam Sonamani Potshangbam kai kundu buchari. Miraj. Thank you very much for joining us, Pabung. Loina ngasigi program asigi another panel member mo ibiri ba manipur saknai raba senior journalist loina na Ichel Express ki editor oina hojik lebiri ba ai koi oza Hemchandra ni oza Taramnokshiri kai khun bochari thagachari oza loina na ngasigi ekoi thamjari ba dialogue ki topic se manipur da haukiba chahi kya asigi manung da yamna achouba issue mo iraga laiba mapung oina valley da leireba community singi yam chauba long standing demand amakak tawbutubu masigi oiba tongon narrative mayam amadi leiba ado haribi issue si hojik masigi tongan ba another momentum amada lakpagi tanja amakak yorokpa aduga iroina ST demand committee manipur Sadutra demand committee manipur na ngarang si press meet ama tawrakanda tongan phung kamera phongdok kibo wafam sing adugi manungda hadak high court of manipur na nauna thokhiba order amada hana gi schedule tribe ki matang da palamba wafum khara lokthokhiba gi matang du yauna tongan wafum camera pali masigi matang da national media sing da lanana ko tore haibagi charges sing mede allegations sing leiri masida natana schedule tribe list chalhan basi court na lekpa do nate government amasum parliament lekpa do ni haibu wafum STD schedule tribe joint committee manipur na palli punamak sida miyeng thamakanda schedule tribe demand gi tongan ba aspect mayam da khana ngi da mangasi da topic semjo bani aham basi manipur ke saklai ba socio-political theater eko pabung posam Sonamani da lakchege pabung schedule tribe demand gi wafam si horok patagi ngasi fawbada leidiba magi discourse haja patai masi pabung kamai ni yengbi masi gi chorok pa pabung mi yeng da thambi po
Miraj ai aham any TV window boina thachari adom busena kromjari ai marup akhoi gi senior journalist Hemchandra amadi staff punu busu loina nak malim tabi punu busena kok nanjari I am privileged ngasi evening show to moi ko birakpa scheduled tribe demand committee or scheduled tribe ki issue se masi more than 2 decades sure bani asi mamang dasu khar sum hagutpa leir bani ngasi scheduled tribe demand committee se with dignity makone taliba demand nati mase akoi mayam ge kholauni haiba se khanbidana lengak na masi thuna masi gi process or masi gi ayaba technology thidna khotna tong mase thabam thokpani mase thoi be issue se handak ke burning issue siga chin cookie terrorists sing sigi advantage am loksal laga moina scheduled tribe maiti na scheduled tribe tanbadi ge moi shaurok padigi ni moina handak chaluri ba landaru ba haiba se mokoina in a different train the moina drama ma sanari ye third made the nowhere nobody no persons amatta scheduled tribe demand committee meeting na tanbai de tamakta akoi thawai nuai tadna akoi all along torbung amadi torbung bangla tan kilometer 10.2 चलग नोमई पारग हाटकनी हाइद मेते हाटकनी हाइदना चलिबा प्लान दुना कदाई दकी मोहिन रॉन्ग नैरेटिव त पुसलगा मेते इदना शेड्यूल ट्राइब तानबगी तमकता अखोई शाउने चलिबने आय व्हिच इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग यस मसे गवर्नमेंट ना यामना शोन बा लेथर्जिक ओइबा गवर्नमेंट ना लेस इंटरेस्ट लिखिबा मे बी फॉर देयर पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट और मे बी पर्सनल गेन or maybe moi chair se moi se ko ling adra khot kadra haidana toba khot scheduled tribe I will say we were scheduled tribe we were tribe before 1951 akoi gi yamna laila su hairabuni haiba community khara na akoi de higher caste ni upper caste ni super caste ni haidana mukena masana masabu self appraisal masana masam pung to wang na khan na khot to giba Mama is the Kanajing view. Mama is a member of parliament. Mr. Ruisa Ibra. kandoba suisa kari rangu suisa kanum haida ar suisa marks a member of parliament when aham 50s ki beginning do ida oibatan jada yamu akoi gi tangkulga metiga mayambaga manau mayam mani akoi gi as part the puari da mana laktana manipur da leiriba mayam punamak leader punamak siga thawina Mr. akoi gi ruisa sina suisa point ainma pali suisa yes ikaujaronsa suisa art suisa yes that great gentleman that honorable MP aina khurmjari mat leihidre male aina ma ishor matang duleta mat ishor mat leres en khurmjari ma gi kayam no kok lehraba khoiba mana laga manipuri leader mayam the so called you are higher caste upper caste super caste and manipur manghaliba machet tahaliba no khoi nanak ta laktana haiba tanjada no khoi schedule tribe chalho ko koi punne himinasi na haiba da hey how nan kari khangi noi din no di chingdali ba haune noi na khoi bu suwain to na no khoi ne hata noi group ta chansiri jagadra haiba wahi gumba in a very unpleasant way nakoina haibadagi ngasidi kedore ngasidi nang nayim na nang leiba phangtadna makhong paida haijari mayam schedule tribe akoi ichinau akoi gi yam oiba tangkul group ke naga group ki lakna hairabadugo nakoini jadabadi thoiba da sanatan ngasi adubu makhoi gi higher caste upper caste super caste noi nongdata layune noi kana noi prithvi na malim noi layu haigine noi layune noi ikaider noi ngasi thoibi issue punamuse aduna amasu group amasu kanle jimbu the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru the then Home Minister akoyi kanugi Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel mokoyani na American Sir Nicholas Roy and Meghalaya gi maki settle mamang di Shillong Assam man lebani Shillong de leba pokso har mafam duga Bada Bazar the so my building amlay must a civil society organizations oramba. I'm talking of late 40s ki the 50s beginning da. Must Sir Nicholas Roy had a civil society organizations. But yam American ma yam ni Shillong Pamjaba India yam Pamjaba. The then Prime Minister Gopinath Bordoloi West Bengal makha the whole entire Assam and the northeast Calcutta gi makha the West Bengal makha lermi. Prime Minister Muyani se tharak Tanjada. There was one MP, Lalita Madhav Sharma Hai Marene. Very big man, very well educated man, member of parliament or me hai. Adi amana kari Binod kari amana Krishna kanoma moi mi humni ne. Ai leiton de leide. Bin Banka Bihari Sharma adi umli Binod kanum hai ne moisina akoi ki kari kari title upadhi ke se mayang upadhi me am se loina thamjal laga pisal laga Delhi de laiba with the direction to na pool lakpa se Lalita Madhav Sharma MP se hangi aye moi humda government of India na Prime Minister ga Home Minister tharak pani maitei nakhoi di sumain to ati chingi di schedule tribe the moi de legani hai gre Manipur ke certain areas se schedule tribe the legani hai nakhoi se jaune chalo hai dana noi opinion kari no hai the kari no we can't we are higher caste, we are educated people. What educated you had? You have murdered, all of you. Binod Bihari ka Banka Bihari ka amakana mo mi humne. Yes, so good to we are punti. We people, we are very forward. We have become so and so. When so and so ko yauro kholu haidena. No, kallu ko haidena. Laiba delegates anishina member of parliament or banina matam du ka moine khoide lari khaiba se hel mare khar khang mare haiden modi changjiru bada which was really a miscalculation that was very unfortunate meeting these three fellows. I said these three fellows who have ruined us. Adu haibe tamakta kaishampat ki ngasi khoi gi lampak ngasi khoi lai gi khoi ima Larimbi Lady Mapam Duka meeting Tora Koladana, Masita, Silu Trap the Kuchanmayate, or the Tobuya, the group of Musagatana. Another group led by M.K. Binodini. This lady, Marxism Tauda, a quite good lambi thing, the Hatokiba, Madi the Pura Chakravat Tanjadadi, Mother other government of India, the period, Modi Yade, she Yogani Haidana. Masagi copy ase Manipur gi archive ta Assam government the detail ki masi report ase Assam ki archive ta leibani. There is a deputy director, one Muslim gentleman, man moi ahum ki statement se pibe se government of India na representative tharak tana jau no bo opinion lor cho haibe do moi ahum sina thingi badigi masi ki report to ade gahati archive ta leibani. There is a deputy director siga koi art kanisiga koi museum gi siga office Kangla manung da lei mare archive to layman mana report pihi bani copy is with me and with the Manipur government is layman hai barthidi shini ishagi khong se ishagi interest da thang ne janjhan badagi ngasi dia khoi lebam lekte akhoi lebam khar piu ne lamachep de piu ne ke do ge ibum to ge jum chano sage ne sabikha niri bado kanana tahulmi khoi diga chobu sagai higher caste, upper caste, super caste, pumang manglabani. Akwai ni kya rakun. 2013 digi Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee has a form to bani step by step to na government the sum hygiene to say government never took interest. Former Chief Minister Mr. Iwobi 15 years later me. Mr. Iwobi masadum amit ushallaga dum chi pirisu hayan to to mai matam loi gra chakre. I said again and again, Haju Paliva Sarkar so not immediately this government is going to do. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee member Nakoi Miam. Nakoi solely Nakoi. No MLA could Nipan the Chalaga Chi Epistle Ruga Tong the Loraga Kalakui Jari MLA Miam Jakre Kadaingarang Hantaki MLA sitting for me. Nobody raised any questions. Why? Akoini Yadabani, Akwito, Haju Paliva Sarkar so Tauroi. I said 3, 4, 5 times. Mako is a problem lady. Why? Moni energy matang da ati matang da toribu amoni pai khaleba sugi matam. We appreciate government. You are late but appreciate. Akwai ya muksu leibum lerektraba. No ministers pun MLAs pun mama paisa pa mayam pun mukti no lehuni na koi kadai legedege. Nang na chana su mayam kadai legeduri. No se pura muhi mayam na nohi paisa pa mayam pun muks na no pai gunu haibane te payune. Paibu no building no jum tara kunsa shawo akhoi di jum matang lainable lamde ta piu haibani ne apna desh mein humko pradesh banaya minister chief minister government Manipur maitei nakhoi bu bhikhari gohmani aur suishag mami hoi chehi yangkhai humbu motra mamang the how great he was, what a thoughtful he was. Even the Shankashing Masamana so honorable chief minister Anir Ahumlak Obirmiba. What a thoughtful and what a wonderful persons. Ma masana bo hoduk pirmi haidana masino oishin have the maki was a tabiki deba. Kanano who objected that those people we are higher caste sargata paigata kuiti sigal leba yapunte we should be always in the year layu kadiga no noroktan hoi legano no sargata layu akoi lamsin hoi pyu nakoi ne thingmani you are big people. Akwadi jamna lot of people ni nasi akwai lam akwai da piu nakoi Manipur da nakoi na palami no na tawram me hedna nangi lam kadai no ngasi nangi lam kadai no nakoi those people who claim nakoi na pumang mangham mani nohoi na mi hatal mani akwai tuman mamiti tuman madi so called you big people you have ruined us. What authority you have today? Can anybody reply? You call me in any meeting, I will reply suitably. Adula toruk pasi 2013 digi talak pasi kanam ne masi torunu adudi adani ngasi toru kuki mayam singal lam mayam loinu khopchali pun makse you are responsible. Akone sidu trap pun hingmene bataram ngasi thokadro ngasi jumma chama sabo ko mi lam leite 1960 da muk noi na koi khong na mukak pire MLR Act kaya phajikramno mitei mayam lari haiba punamak nakoi na mukka mun hoina akoi isagi khong na koi na thang katat pirme megi punamuk chingtam punamuk lag loine valley area khar libu lebuja valley belongs to Naga, Kuki, Mijo, Mayang, Mapam loina adu akoi na chingnas jain makun ma saba pi double lamsebo. What kind of a decision you have taken, you all learned people, you all fellows? What did you say for the future of us, for our generation? Nakoi kari khangi nakoi na nasa na thante imphal li hendra khongban kandab jibadung na noi tauraga mi gi maron khara ngangjaraga yam chaure lari khaide adu haide yo adu ngasi noi na koi manghali banate you responsibly adugo Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Yang go at the mind on a family no oiroi. No, I will come message. I carry go to still I am supporting it, although I am I am an aged person, 82. I have been my feeling. The Hajige government se Tauroi Park. Hajige government wahe mahai. I am not happy with that. Leader of the house. Leader of the house na hai schedule tribe ki matang da mase koi stakeholder pun makatana raga mase koi mase toguni chummi high court apparently I am not a legal expert. High court ki interference to court power high court ki order do that has become a null and void. But hajik phammi ba koi high court ki justice amana a single bench ta mase mane kakhre. Okay, there is nothing wrong. As per the government's direction, already lady bani government of Manipur da nakhoi na manipuri singchuwa schedule tribe chanmagi nakhoi gi opinion nakhoi recommendations along with the ethnologists ki enclosed the thabirau haibese. Mr. Ibobi 15 years he close eyes gone. Present chief minister he may not do it. Stakeholder kanaduna saranangbi duridubu. Chingda lebi ichinaw singsigi mokoi ki kariguba any more facilities ama mokoi entitled oibe jabo soto rubu so called soto rubu singsigi pirak patanjada. Did any government ask any questions? Akui ategi akui majority oiba meti singda amutang hangaga mokoi aya ba stakeholder voice moi hangaga noido jagada jarodra haibeda. None of the MLAs, none of the ministers or the chief minister never you raise these questions. Today you are asking Honorable Chief Minister, I stakeholder mayam gi tathok tasin tawraga mase ai yenge ai tawna tawge hairam te musa phajaram gi daba. But to whom you are going to ask? Are you going to ask this Paite or Mijo or this Cookie or Chin Cookie Joe? Their opinion is to be sought. Who has become a sworn enemy of your government? Who has become an anti-Manipuri? They have made us without any rhyme or reason. And even opposition leader, I ask you again today. Opposition leader punamak chumi sugi matang da noin hangbirami ama kangla gi matang da kangla da mayam punamuki MLA punam saman tobi matang da reply pdiana noy okay walked out togre. But you forgot to ask one question. 28 MLAs the schedule tribe demand committee member ma'am chala moi bhapte am chaogre MLA singshir ma pi richi harau lahore. I told you again and again schedule tribe demand committee moin tawrisa tokshan na bangakta nahi haidana ai haibra haidabra schedule tribe demand committee member. You talk to me. Nakhoi de kya raga hai tokshan na bani tawroi session sida loisan ngai bani chapchana makhoi se ruling se karim ta so haide opposition so karim ta so haide. Then what did you gain it schedule tribe demand committee, my friend? I was a vice president. I have resigned by myself because of my ill health. I know you well. I warn you, I caution you as a brother. It is a question for survival, do or die. Schedule tribe ki from a press conference ki conference pir thado pudno oiroi ne inausa marupsa. Masih sanjau paiba mayam sing di deunat ka meitei hat pane masin ai na haijari base we are too late kadong de su moinam churachanpur de 3rd May the 10.2 kilometer the bangla ga okay torbung bangla de chapa torbung bangla chapa tanjada we protest the schedule tribe demand committee's demand Manipur to be awarded the schedule tribe have nobody displayed any card or nor any flag or nobody shouted. These are all cook, these are all frames to moigi plan the pungsoi shoigi ba. These murderer people never said adu moi masai skin do hinna na honrak pada heta metain schedule tribe tan batigi tawak ponian haijan ba. Although their aim was to eliminate completely cleansing entire Manipuri Meitei community punamak 10.2 kilometer khong chalaga procession challi highway from a small district. Never ever I have heard they had ill intention to eliminate as they have done it. Government, do you have any reply? You don't have, because you totally failed to counter it. Your intelligence agency completely failed. So we people, we got killed many of you. Government no nungai bredo. Adun ma se puna mo se loina lan ghre. Adun schedule tribe demand committee na taliba. It is not genuine. This is our fundamental rights. This is our birthright. Government without any hesitation We appeal you. We request you. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee ki masi demand say this is along with the ethnology. You forward it. This time we will not request you. You are public leader. You are an important leader. You were the popular leader. Out of 3 popular chief minister, Mr. Biren Singh, honorable chief minister, you are popular leader. Opposition also, you should give a hand. Opposition to no issue. This is the right time for you to grill the government. You didn't do it. For many causes, you just worked out. Maybe it's an alibi. Maybe this is undercover. In a Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, they will not do it. They will not do it. They will not do it. Peaceful immediately you do it.
Scheduled Tribe Demand go mari lina wo kya thambiri mathang sei ikoi oza journalist lak sege oza lak sening baje hoje media gi am chaw question am thoklai most of the national media mayam da haiba yam consensus oiba court ki verdict amakak leiba March ki tang kundare 2023 ki sida High Court of Manipur na instruct Manipur government the instruction piduna haiba maintain Scheduled Tribe demand maintain Scheduled Tribe ki status phanghanna bo hona basigi matang recommend to haibagi wafam masigi instruction gi wafam se very recently masi lawthok ra bani masi national media puna mak report ore last Wednesday da masi saruk se lawthok ha bani masi lawthok pa se mari leina again national media singda lan na masi gi meaning je misunderstood to halle miyam da haibagi acho wafam am lai masi makna maitai singna Scheduled Tribe amu hana phangba yabagi oithok pasi leitabra haibagi madugi moral do public te am down to hanbagi macha amu oheli haibaji mak ngarang gi wafam je da palli and again masi gi matang sidana ikoi ozana kamai yingbi haibama atopa side amadana national media da yam chawna report to bazi even ngasi digi numit ani gi mamang da the Hindu da report to ba ada atop national media da report to ba adu why si palli maitai gi Scheduled Tribe demand gi changsal ke ihodu gi makha pona High Court of Manipur na ta ki ruling sina trigger to violence ni habitana masi national media sing the panba report sing manung da aina court to zabani matang sida ikoi ozagi mi yeng da sai ikoi pabung no so hapete test to gre Scheduled Tribe beti Scheduled Tribe demand gi matang sida court ala iba ruling siga relate to gadra lairi violence ga have question jima nakalam rom da national media na lairi Scheduled Tribe ka mari lene issue se report to matam da bias oiba gi wafum se kada hok chu minute ga lale have as a senior journalist samay kamay yeng thambi
maswai masi hiding it handak Manipur da thokli violence se khoi Scheduled Tribe demand ga mari lena di na ai ahmad haijage maramdi masai khoi uncle so haibigi ba Scheduled Tribe ka mari lena bani haiba yaning da ba haiba tribal solidarity march me hum da pangthok ki sida hairiba mitaina ST status ta leige haibigi matang da single khoi gi kholo ma phau laukhi da sina dum tai masigi kudong sabasi court na pirakhiba magi directives amakak Manipur government da pirakhiba dugi kudong sabasin lawrga makhogi another demand ama phangna khona bani lawba yai ado hairisi masida national media na sagi court tauboda onari base masimadi yamna mayek sengna sengdo hobu chumien khalle ado hojik hairisi court na mitai se ST status pigada nate masidi yamna sangba lengthy process sama lady aduga 100 February ani da amuka khoi chief justice golmai gai phulin chiu hai malako mana pigi ba directives asida su mitai singi status khoi Scheduled Tribe status demand gi recommendation thau hai basi cancel to natte ba sida mayam na sida confuse ama lady ba masida haidi se magi adugi magi directives adugi para 17 gi clause 3 da yauri basi only masi sida hairi basi unconstitutional natraga khogi ko na masi da kutingin ba yaya de haibi yofam du yinga kanda man haibasi mitai sing se Scheduled Tribe list channa ba consider tau haina government da pi ba peram khak yauri masine ba longthoi se aduga khogi mitai singi Scheduled Tribe list chanba chandabagan mari leino ba sagi recommendation bigadam ni haibase masidi still remain adum lengana lady swai ba kuidan confusion aduga mitai singje hairi di court amana mitai sing je schedule tribe list ta lu ina haibdu yade haibeneba madu ko na kuting bam thokti en haibeneba aduga masagi kogi mitai tribe union na thangal kiba kogi magi petition dugi paukhum oina masagi ko na adu pirakhibeneba masida amukka May February ani da masida amuk review tawrakanda haribasina ngasagi recommendation thau haibasidi sidi masana haibam thokpuneba tribal affairs ministry na manipur lengakta dige recommendation ama mitai chanba chandabagi matang se piraknaba hairakpase masigi pibam thokpa pakhum dudi yes moina masi maram chai haigera sade haigera moi pibam thokpa pakhum amudi pigadamne adu sumpi pidana ngasi phawba sum lehen bai se sidi ya sidi am maram chada ba makhang sinida aina hajiningi ti mitai singi koina masida moina pu hariba recommendation sin yaurise socio economic report sine aduga ethnography sineba pu harise masi pibada manipur government da kyam kiningai oiba leigi haibisine makhningi ti masi pibada kiningai oide na khale bai de masida mitai singi aseng ba magi ethnography amadi socio economic report si pibada manipur sarkar ne kipam thokti sini dain haina masida moina kibagi maram chu chade aduga masi piba matamda hena chawba irang ama tholok pa yai haibagi pakhatpagi mami masu tari manipur
aduni moni ki ai chair hengadra haibedo
mami ma tari ba adu hainingai di Hojik Tugliba, me Janiga Taramapan Siraba, Aduga me 60,000 plus the displaced Toraba, Aduga Mui Kunmari Kunmana, Nasipa, what Tiba Kangan Leraba, Asigumba, Irang Sidaki, Hena Chow, Irang Malakanisian, Kari Irang Kids. She did a job, Irang Sikano. Me Siraba, me Mam Siraba, Zidaki, actor Levum Changon, economy, see, class Toraba, the Sigumba, Yamna Kudu, Zadraba Pium, Sigumba, Irang, Sidaki, Hena Chow, Irang Malakan in the key, this year, Karamba, Irang Lucinita, in hanging it. Become to Eva, Mana, yes, Mana, mitasing say, schedule tribe list, the son, Madam Chai Chadi, Mama Hamidu Hayo. Migi ethnography PU Hibani, Aduga Magi socio-economic report to PU Hibani, she P with the Manipur government the Kashum Latina. Kananasu Sawam Toktina. Mitaina ST list, Sange Hana demand of Uganda at Mutana, sounding a yelling a Madame Zulatina. Masidi Magi but right ne, Mana Tanham Tokpa Aina, Agi, government Amada, Agi, Adu PU, Natraga, Piganu, Hibana City, Magi Hak me, Magi Hak to Tanzavada atopana kutingin bagi mathau tade aduna hojik aina haningi de manipur government ki bam thokti haibisineba manipur government na asa hariba recommendation je tharaga hekta mitai ST ogdaba natri ba process yam chen sangeba sidagi haubadi sigi manipur government na hauguduineba magi recommendation je tribal affairs ministry da Thara Madungsida Ministry Amuka Registrar General of India the Tagadurinewa Masigi reports Matang Amuk Harakbakanda National Commission for Scheduled Tribes Tagaduriva Masina Harakma Sidadi Man Harisidi Swasidadi on got complex Oireba Muka Masida Oiresidi Mana legislation se emento nobi the Mukta Harakaduneva Emento Habasida Lok Savamasu Rai Sabagi Ayab Yogdan After all, Lok Sabha Masu Rai Sabagi Ayaba Pango Matunda, President of Indiana, Indian Constitution, the article number 342, clause 1, the Makada, Mitation, the ST, wherein we did not talk to him. I mean, Asok Sambalingi process some walling either, Manipur government, a Pangi, the keeping Madam Kaino Sinita. Parliamenta, Madam Zaijadian, Nina Kineva, Pastor Kineva. Maduda fail or Aduna Makalamani, Aduga, Manipur, Liminariba, Kuyi, yes, Mitation ST Natation, tribal Natation, Makan High Unosinita. Mitate driving Adum Hobutilla Eva. Masidi, Mitation, High City, known as General Urambadigi Mitation, Amuka Situl tribe with Habinativa, 1949 Mamang the Ledamba, Mitation is status to the Hanjinjagi Habanep. Mitation is very clear, I'm saying High River. Aduga sida yet pa yet ba idudi masidi yamna maram zada ba kuki people's karana masigi mayukta koi agitation ga takutna ngasagi tribal solidarity march tribal sino khundaba phom khuding to pangthokane na pangthokpa adu atai dana kari irang thoktraga Chuchanpur da pangthokpa tribal rally the solidarity march da irang thoga ngasigi misi minasi tholi bagi maram sidi masi hana naino phom chup thoi sinida aduga amuksu indiana handak nona koi UN Human Rights Commission da magi report piba matamda Manipur da thokliba irang si schedule tribe demand ga mari lengai haide se koina yenga dose masida thokliba irang sidi Myanmar dagi masing yamlaba immigrants sing changchilakpana maramar kanda Manipur da violence thokpane na magi reply si pi yeba sumai sagi UN Human Rights Commission na masigi matang hangam matamda India government pi si masine adu weradi India government na madu khanglaba phawda karigi Manipur irang sing asi phaw losindaba no haibsine masidigi marumda karino khran leire haibsidi yamna mayek senge aduga hanadagi su kogi Union Home Minister haiduna leire masidi kogi external aggression ne haiga leirabane external aggression ne hairabaduda amuksu masagi makogi mathakta sathabam tokpa operation yes su sing bim thak operation chatho khaibe na teba Myanmar dagi changsil laga external aggression leira harbadi aggression deriba adwai area da karigi operation chathadage su leinai su militant singi mathak operation chathab yade haiduna makal ma oire adu aggression leira haradi aggression leiriba hogi bafam duda adi mapa duda karigi chapchaba thabak to lokutrino asuna asigum mayam si yenga kanda mitei singna handak schedule tribe demand torok ba habse yamna maram chaba makhangni masida kanana su hojiti yatfam thoktre na khalli aduga atop singna su yetpagi hak leite masi akoina akogi hak tanjabani aduga masigum ba phim masi sida koina haridi Manipur da leiriba Manipur gi saruk nipan khaktamuk oiba sada nipan khaktamuk oiba area sita mi khudimuk loina khunda yari Manipur gi aduga mitei singna singi area singda even kogi lam machet am fawba leibiya da gi yamna khudong sada makon mayok nariba sisi gi Manipur tampaki 700 square kilometer sisi da mitei sing si sum confine taw leiba asigumba yamna mawong sada ba fimam sidi masidi kokna ba sinba ma chumme aduga mitei singna schedule tribe oige harise tribal singi hak matki haiba natte moina khanga do sin masine ba yes Nagaland da laiba tribal sing sigi quota sing amta mande ba bisu makhoigi advanced tribe haibam laibna tribe lairone adigi lower caste tribe sing laidi makhoigi backward sing sigi tribal sing sigi makhoigi quota si thabak sangum tamda amta manade ba bisu masi yenga moina haiga do busi sidi mitei singna tale sidi genuine demand ne aduga makhoigi hak matpa natte haibasi makhoi khangadabni mitei singna su masigi maramdi yam phajana sengdokpa ama mathau tariba masi natadana sum makhoi wakaladi hoji kuki singna parise khoigi Manipur da changsil matungda phangpham thoktaba ST do moi phangra matungda mitei singna amuka khoigi ST je oiselagadi moigi hak mat thidore haibane ba aduda pakhatpane ba singnadi madudi yamna maram chada ba makhangni mitei singge ST demand si mukhogi hak mat ki haibnate mitei sing ST oige haibani aduga koi apangi karigi karida koina munaru ba laknaru ba don just another case aduga Manipur gi leiriba system sigi manung sija thabak piba changba kudong chaba adumai piba matamda masigi di tongan da categorize toro matungda mi kuding makta chapmana ba hanagi status sida atum dahenba dum yaba potneba adu hojik lakchiningi di asigumba yamna maram chaba demand asigi damakta Manipur government na lawriba firapsi yamna kitang khantaningai oyene khalli sanglaba matam je 2013 da gi haurakhi demand asida ministry na ngasagi 2013 gi kenoda masi makale hara aduda 13 dani mana ngasagi 13 gi Meda kenosi magi ethnography report si pek naba Manipur government da hairakibani 2013 na si yamna sangba si khogi ST demand na yamna kanna demand se toro matungda amuksu hairakibani ba amuksi masida haire sida su pakom pidre another Mitei tribe union amuka under ki 2022 ki May 31 da amuka move tor representation se pira ba matung shirist amuka 2022 ki May da amuka su ethnography se bir na amuka su haira kre
amu hairi ya bung
hanjin haira si ba manipur government nga si phaw thadri ba masi thadab gi maram ne ba khoina hangningi ba khangningi ba miyam na pami si khoi madu gi maram da manipur government ki si kai no ha si khangningi ba kibam dokte si da di haidi irang lakani na kibagi maram ju sadre maram di hojik thokliba misi mina yaw irang asidagi hena chawba irang atopa kibam leitre aduga masi thoklo bawda mitei singbuna sum namjil laga yani ne namdaraga thambagi mogama manipur government ki keno da lady base masi makti yam chumda ba mak ngin haningi bihum thokpa report to pbu aduga masigi yam lengthy process am lady madu pi gharga mitei singje hekta kogi kudak te da situl try or do nateba ai smai thamje ge hamros.
Okay, thank you so much. Iko Salam Hemchandra yam marichum da thambigre aduga makhatar paji ai pongdong lakse pong lak chini muzi ngasagi yam contentious oiba paragraph haidana ama delete away haribas handak March 23rd 2023 gi the High Court of Manipur ki verdict sida handak one bench of High Court na Supreme Court ki order magi bakha pon na madu yeng thambaka da paragraph ama delete away habagi matang sida tribal bodies ki favored haidara on behalf the argument piriba advocate calling Gonçalves best na mana haigi baze masigi paragraph se delete tawra matung dasu this makes no difference masine khena bamta leite aduna March 27 gi orders yi lemhori ba mayam de aduma objectu lengdana lady aduna masika khakiba taraga su orders gi effect chap mane havani state government sina aduma center the inclusion of ST gamari le never reply pigdabne have from the dum palli havani matang sida paragraph se delete tawkhroba matung amasung delete tawdaba order ani sigi marakta khena baje kamaini yengbi pabungna masigi impact kaisu leiro haidana tribal bodies ki mekai dagidi hairi nakalamorom da schedule tribe demand committee na su masigi wafam court ki verdict asina miyam da samuno bohalle habagi wafam amadi palle kamai yengi po
Miraj thoibe punamaga sem ai maru Hemchandra na pan gi badu government have say akoi gi mapa mapini chehid moi na ha oi bajai they are being supported by akoi dozen of bureaucrats and advisor mayam lady government ki advocate general so and so everything really bani this is simply a sheer negligence tawroina tawdabani negligence atte let me come to the point government tawroina tawdabani ngasai Hemchandra sahab na panbigi do asuk chawruba issues ga hanana sinna tawsi masi henma kari thoki dori gya ba ngasai ki Mr. Colin Haribinu say he is a diehard of this the Matias ukilamo in the Supreme Court mark say sum haina but the crowd funded my matik 20-30 crore it is his business professional I have nothing to say mase tawri punama se mana thangalu punama se even Supreme Court thangatpat hoi tanjadasu even Solicitor General mana bhausu Supreme Court man ngang rima nang na thangali points me amat madu oidabu ngakta ni na you don't try to waste time haid masigi justice mamang deni adu bhausu mang da haid ne mang hairi bese nongpok tegi numit thokte nongchup tegi numit thoi haibani haiba Supreme Court 2-3 times mang da chai rabani etawna nang adu ban don't waste time haina you come to the point is haina rabani Madam, the amount of pesos 20, 30, 40, 50 crore more pinning with the PV, it is their business. Even there was a news, Chumbi Chumde, Kanana Lali, Lande Kangde, Manipur, the Bukana, music, narco terrorist groups and crowd funded Tona, even army Kasulay, even Kari Sima Mustafa, I know Sima Guho se Mustafa the Mama Impalo, Pandiru Kangde, Maki EGI Oidal Lamba, Hajite Musin Ramare. Though the Moika is a crowd funded the Tauraga, this dangerous community sinam. Nosaki cleansing of Metis from Manipur, that too. Kanana Tauduri, Kanana Tauri, this narco terrorist people, Ati country the labor jatadra, Lagas Bikari, the Una Laden Lairaga, Moina Kui Chatok in the Tantori in the Tori Base. I say government of Manipur, Kang Tobi Sakarino. Yes. Madun Masai Tori Base, Supreme Court say they stand till now. Anirak Heidi, latest the su when a quick meted trouble, union of Tharuba, Mudigi, the reply was a Pirkan Lai. Our Mazi ethnology government now with the proper forms that Tora Kotamasi Matagat Piru. Hidden a Mamai do reference to the Pire. Or to the Kanano to Vidrisha. A quick government to the money. Haji government to Toroi, I touch of Gumley. Kadimu Lala, they even up with Tobiradi, sir, Nakung Pai Jaboyam to Lachagan in Nanakta. No in a Tobir in Harris Land Grayana. Madam Dinakoi, 100 to even Lansky and a Chubal Land Roy. So you'll have to do it, not request. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee and Mete Travel Union. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, the Mete Travel Union, you have worked out. Why? In our time, it was never happened. 1,25,000 me, ma'am, Puraka, okay, ma'am, government, that we have flexed our muscle. We want this, I know, 1,25,000. Nasi Noi Muchetari, MTU, so I brother Natani, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee member, no, so I brother Natani. All of you, we worked together for years together. Adunoi ani di mari thok do ri law aduni se koi shoiri se mi ani tinabu jataba adigi MTU na tawde amu scheduled demand committee amu oppose to gudra adigi amu scheduled demand committee na tawde amu MTU na tawde. No, this is absolutely wrong. No group pani no tashan no no one of you. For us that there should be only one. Akoi ashon punam akoi ashoi be punam se loina akoi be MTU ni jengi ba this narco terrorist group mapandagi laiba. Not 1840 or 1841, the Lama Churachan Maharaj, Namana Thamamba, Adugi, my grandchildren, children, they are Manipur citizen. Not all Kuki Chin Mizo, they are terrorists. Natte. We are talking about this aggression Toriba. Within our country, the Mapandigi Laga, Makoi Chaunu Joga, Lin Kanga the Loinarga, the Linduru of Ungalak Akui. Asgar kaina koi lairendura koi jolak pani to reise adu Manipur lang aksu masi chumichun to nupa thokota Manipur government. We don't want to talk too much masi matangda to the shunga yade government adu opposition no shit brahmajam sanaganu aina Hyderabad Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee no the kara tawri punam se tawsan na bang aktani meti samta yaun am to wam to hangde na handi session da hangde na. Then, no ni chalu mayam dugi madir kari jal porage. Government of India no is a Tori Kuladi. Yes. Masipuna Musanari say, the media has become so immense important. Mainland media Spunamak Mohina Akoisibu anti-Indian Olale. So we are anti-Indian. We don't trust the national mainland medias. There is a rise of reasonable apprehension. Na koi se crowd funded ke tamakta paisa mayam no in a chorus tarum no leig benina like the EGI about how she told lies. And lastly, then even the Shiva Chandrachud Chief Justice he also said if every media some mistake what they have uttered or they committed, if I go and punishing then it may not be proper. Then she was set free. I have no reason to discuss or deliberate about the Supreme Court. But whatever the Chief Justice of India, he said, and it was highlighted in the paper. So my humble appeal to the government of India, I am an anti-Indian because national media does not highlight facts and the figure. National medias all have clubbed together, probably crowd-funded the Gitauriga. Loy na lay na thamgrabani na akoy gi na Manipur da manung da khongman da kandaba jiba akoy paper si kharga tara amuk nam phongal loire akoy paper si di Shillong bok pabi de tabi de even note iski leriba akoy note iski leriba koy TV channel bo Indian highlight to be de adu there thousands there mayam lakhs the leri puna moksam de kariya papi igade we are being made to be non-Indian. So definitely we are non-Indian now. We are anti-Indian, they have made it. So we are anti-Indian. We thought that India is the safest place, then we will work together. So they merged it. But now your behavior is India ki media in a pura control to. Even after American Baptist Council, you have approached it. Even the European member of Parliament, the Miss Bruce Fiona, one of the most trusted envoy of Rishi Sunak, UK Prime Minister ki masing matter the kasa phajna jing the religion matang the tribalism matang the to hatred matang jing the me kokot me hana mong the envoy amus mong the responsible people. She even said that Manipuris have massacred the Christian tribals. How lady you said, how ridiculous. You are a member of Parliament of the United Kingdom. You have ridiculously you stated this and you try to change the fact. Because crowd-funded people, they came there, they have already made it and they tried to maneuver, they have given a wrong narrative. Even the delegates only 2 minutes speak. Chin cookie terrorists ki mui delegates lakot 15 minutes speak. You know, no, you have given 15 minutes to them and you are giving only 2 minutes to Jaru. This is the attitude even the member, even the UN or even the other religious issues and other in the foreign countries. Manipur the Puncha Chara Pungley, Leriga Siga, Karamani Thauran name Nakipun Makaji, Pam Chocho Pai, Mayam Loin, and not ministers. So many directors, so many chief engineers, so many police officers, so Namigo Leshal Loro, Leshal Lagane, Hayano Shiram de Tanjanoi Puyaroido, Madi Papton Matak Noi Mukapa Noile.
Where the article one of the very popular article ni articles the maintain ST demand gi matang sida mamang that for 2 times, one in 1982 aduga amana 2001 the ani reject okay we go from the the 1982 the Register General of India the Home Ministry the gi lakpa request ama maintain se ST list inclusion to no gi damakta lakpa request ama the Register General of Indiana ki maintain community does not appear to possess the tribal characteristic and it was not in favor of inclusion having a wapa mamaka sidapalle adu sigi natabada yam interesting way ai the pawung the lakchani questions in ani shubusina 2001 da 2001 da lakivasi Minister of Social Justice dagi maitai si social ST list changadra having wapam silakpa matam da when the Ministry of Social Justice na Manipur government gi recommendation sik to mutam sida the then Chief Minister of Manipur W Nipamachana mamang in 1982 the Register General of India gi opinion sida ikoi accept to wi haira kan da masi reject to gi kari having matang sida
jengbiu any the India is a pak chow about millions haide billion jogre millions to billion jogre hiti asok chow group of countries siga me kaya North Block, South Block, Sasti Bhavan, that Bhavan, this Bhavan, kaya me kaya challaga jingude 142 hajikti matam do the 130 kanuka okay crore gumalerm gani hetta chema thagraga in the government of India the have is a Bharat Mahasagar Indian Ocean ni akudi turi namu chentaba machani kone pun bane kone even Bay of Bengal ka tanan ro bani si Ichel with Turian ka se picture bane ada Assam de jogudur ga Lakhipur jiri ke jor khadang chaw ba jiri chiri batri me am pullaga barakha chaw jo boi wani chaw group pak countries ga akoi ne challaga chi me ta thag raga eta government of India ne to bi gani hai wala itne there is a caucus, there is a lobby, there is a push, there is a pull. Asi angak pada North Block, South Block, angak pada North Block changi, South Block changi, hai tu permit lau no, demi nui mangani changi, talani changi. What is the reason why you want to meet so many problem? Manipur government hurriedly, without much any satisfactory recommendations, put forward does it mean that India government will do it? Never ever. The me, member of parliament, or bureaucrats, resident commissioner Gumalaiba, or chief minister, time and again Chatra Masagi personal interest, say Mr. Laldoma, Mizoram chief minister. He is in 1977, he is in Indian police service. Okay, external affairs minister is Jaishankar, Mokoi basically. Moine hek election makam matamda mahana prime minister gi joint commissioner of police or me. Akoi matam de leave it and akoi joint director IB na puram prime minister duty security ma'am so mase mane kudak ta moi telephone ni phone ko congratulation tawdana khotan le hybrid thadi mokoi din net ama phajana akoi gi pura akoi gi mirang gi net ama le gire ba मोगी मी से कयम जम के हाइब each and every department द मकोई मी से अनी ले ओहम ले मरी ले पीओ मोदी हौरगा होम मिनिस्टर दी हौरगे every department पुनमक सिगा मकोई umbrella म ले याबा all India की scheduled tribe and scheduled caste की मोगी मकोई chairman or president all India मसे हे खोबत अमर तबत मोई मयाम ने पुला पुना all India लोइना से Mr. Atwale he may be another minister of this अते शु ले रिकॉल very powerful अखोई interest लेतबा government ने 2001 just for the sake of forwarding it without giving much due importance without giving the satisfactory plausible writing है बदो था जब जाब convincing of the points fact and कोई हे न तो हाई बनते अचुम्ब सरुक द history में पजनी इरगा था घरगा मध्य मतुंग the follow up action you chase that file day and night, maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, you change the file from one table to another table. Lobby to with them akui supported, led by the MP and the minister. Haji akui R.K. Ranjan, External Affairs Minister lady, my education is paidi, my External Affairs is oiri. This is the best opportunity. He could have done, they could have done. He is a minister for Assam or for Kuki, we do not know. But we consider that he is a minister for Manipur. And no, he belongs to Manipur. He is a minister for the entire India. Asi matang na mak phone lening tanjada man mating to biba man khara hoi haibi copy to bai ja haji matam na to hudna R.K. Ranjan kar matam na ma to haji election laksale aduna 1982 da e hibado without much rhyme and reason hatta that's forward to khol karim ta modi matang dari kan January ba khonari ba togunu kokunu iganu haidana to de jar padir government of India tha dia doi tha ki bani 2001 da khar khar ihu ma hogale atus akoi mina suppress to ba akoi mina netha ba ngasai I'm higher caste upper caste super caste idu wangra puni ne is noti jar machal ni ne hai hai na hai ba phamma mata phana ma hana higher caste hana akoi phaman da bijat de lower caste akoi na asan caste in what way we are lower in what way you are higher you all people we are asking you no no ko hatok panatala miti bo mitili na ko libham lektan to no no ko hatok paniya ba ati shagina natya 2001 the period abruptly written to ya to thagre khok chalo bhai let me wash my hand another headache hojik ta tu jar re ba hojik ti every line every words the with the ethnology the with the achumba saru ko what we were till 1949 and what we want and what are the reasons say mase punamak ase phajana matik chan pudun very convincing reason the thag the bani hai ba haji su matam lady high court na hari direction do ki Hemchandra sahab na I fully endorse it ko ne khali bina high court na mase yad de mase government mase thaba yaro government na tirdi mase government na hane de khoi kathat kare pura natti hai but there is a close side do thaba jari hai ba haji bo kari government na see does not forward it machine still time with any section of the people you have no moral right to disturb us na koi gi pukham degi chak leiri punamak ichina punamak na koi pukham gi chak to khune munge natte noi di chin kuki jo gi moi gi chaba phang moi di lakpani sida koi ipai pugi 12,000 years the mite gi puari de horaga manipur to khun lerek pas akoi gi ming da koi leminarak pani particularly the Tangkhul community I salute you na koi elder brother akoi father matam diki loin no koi lamina bani you know everything aduna kanam ta mase to bisu jade to bi ganu na koi apavasarukta na koi amat natro why you why you try to separate the tribal location housing oh tamdal bamite you are forward or we are backward who says that we are forward ko di bika nincha lere backward no hoy the multi story building shan lere punna himminasi let us live together. Okay. What the government, it depends on the government. Now it is now we all people we should decide kari to sik hai do.
Okay, babung, thank you so much. I think so oza Hemchandra lak chege oza ngasai pabung akoi thami wafam sing je calculative oiba kamai to ga baitene ST demand ST ji phangada ge have ge wafam ma yam kana pukhalai ideas me amam puthoi kamai yenge pabung gi opinion je and again akoi gi oza gi mi yeng da hojik Central Divine Committee Manipur na high level Maitai na scheduled tribe Chanbaya basi magi deserve quite oi aduga madu Chanbaya have given to character ma'am Maitai the over ma'am the High Court orders the Palavani having a wapam Musupali Matang si the Maitai gi oina deserved away hidden up high river schedule tribe ki status se si phangbagi lambi da changchaliba hojiki khongjang haibadai masigi feature se kamaina ubi ozana
mitai sing se schedule tribe adi schedule hana mitai tribe na dum lejabni ada schedule tribe ki status sida lakpasigi magi criteria sing se khoina panba targadi ma se mpham du da primitive koi trails oina le kadabni haibani adagi head hunters or kadabni haibani distinctive culture le kadabni haibani geographically isolation le kadabni yet siga chamana manipur se ching nei koi koshil laga tampak si leiba yam isolated area am khangni masi su adum fulfill taweba adagi atop singa contact to modam da ikaiba adugumba leiba sing ugadabni haibam su palli asman criteria manga se smai torga leiri masi khuding mak se mitei sing status si tan modam adum fulfill oe aduga tawida bagi wa khakudani asum nine sum torga sum lakhi basidi miyamna pende handak ta su akogi parliament na haitare schedule tribe akogi group mari nauna schedule tribe list ta hapsili himachal pradesh ki hati tribe happy aduga tamil nadu gi nari koravam haiba tribes sum hapsingi Chhattisgarh ki adigi Binjahia haiba tribes sum hapsinli adigi Gonda community UP sum hape se hapke harigadi media dum hape adu recommend tawraga masi magi lengthy process se la kanda sum chanaraga sum tawraga laga hapam thukputi happy ai haibnida manipur gi sisu manipur government na thabam thokba magi criteria sing se suna leiba mitei sing se tharaga masagi adu baudi ubibi ai sinida mitei tribe demand se matam sang eba more than 2 decades and hajele inebako masi si yengaga makhoi gi favor da natragana makhoi gi ori film sigi mitei singi socio economic sibu kayam parage ne hoji masigi sigumba mayamsi yengakanda recommend to wiba du baudi chumbraina khalle masi recommend tawraga khudak ta hekta schedule tribe or kato sunate adu magi sangraba sahi da pia bagi process ne sidi parliament ta putorkini adi kai kai tawkani madugi matung da president ayaba pirkani smai torga sigi mayam si lakchasanu maduda mitei singse by chance sigi schedule tribe oibya bagi condition se sude aduna makoi si fail ore ojarakshanu adarakshanu adu mai hadarak pududa di miyamna warau roeba aduga manipur gi hojujik laingak pairiba mamang da pairamba mayam sina masi sum namdharaga lehan basidi miyamna sungpen peningai oide adana makata ba masi gi khongjang si hen kanchilak ba yabi otoko su leiri baneba manipur da hojik schedule tribe list ta yauraba purup kunthraum doine ba leiri se haidi india government na schedule tribe ki status pi ba kunthraum doine ba masi gi manung si da amuka cookie singdi amuka any cookie mo hairaga alan grine ba any cookie is the neighbor queen any cookie magi clan adu ada kind like Myanmar de sang kera cookie adum san be abi mong de lede adegi koi Mizoram de lo Mizoram gi hana mo koi India manung ni na haibu su rai lai sano aduga Manipur da any cookie na hai tar ga di cookie ku di mu jitsan be adu ne Myanmar de sang kera kadai de sang ke adugi bibam du da semaga kyam yam hai singe je ko semaga masagi maduda jalan grab neba matam aduda manipur government su madugi ayaba pirim neba mogoine any cookie haibadi piraga only mitai drive sing sina ST list yaujage habakanda masigi government sina ki dana
pi oni ishagi jumda
yes
ishagi lepakta
mare aduna asigi yam kiman gre sini da koina hajining budi kiman gre kharasu nupa thokpa chumi aduga yes hojik ainga saina su hajagi buduni si piruraganda akiba phawribudu phawbigano kibam thokte yamna kibu sima thokta den khalli aduga hojik thokliba irang sidagi hena chaw irang ama lakani haibudum su khanbirun lo manipur da asigumba phana sunabagi irang haiba sidagi hena chawba irang ama muk la roi June 18 gi thoktok da sigibudu akogi mi kesu yamna te mi try pan sibani adu 100 ti mi kyam sirage adudagi sina mu hena chawpala ineba masidagi hena chawbusi aidi manipur da amu hana lakadu mande aduna masigumba phibam sing si yen kanda manipur government na lawham thokpa magi phirep se chapsana lawgadabni aduga ST se akoigi kuki dagi lokthokadabani makoi sing si indigenous tribe natte makoi si koi nomadic tribe ni makoi sing da status pi base lali haidana yelaka matamda masigi matang su tribal affairs ministry na manipur government da nakoi gi mot kari lege na representation thar oina haiba matamda haji stakeholder meango wari sagini mo hairi ne kuki singi Pound of yes, nomadic tribe nation Munas who hire Natro, we Masana Yazar of Natro, Mokuzi, Israel de Gilakba, Bene Manasi have a tribe to Nika, and Masana's Hizari Natro. I do the more indigenous Uitre city, Sana Dum Tab Natro. Indigenous tribe Natawamakai ST listed and Beadi, High City, Masagi ST listed and Bigi criteria, see Muchan Yauri. Adu Tati, Masana Zoo, Makuchi indigenous Nati Hizaraba, sing Adu Loktukna Bagi. Representation pira uina hairako matam dana stakeholders in siga khanagini haiba aduga genuine oiba mitei singi ST demands gi matang dana wafam ama bhabu phongdok tuna tumin lesin ba haiba se manipur sarkar gi kwai gi chumda ba thong ni masina maram oiraga manipur da hena chauba irang amamu ngasagi masi thada bana maram kanda mitei singsi ngasagi Pendaba, some number of people Kangba, Sigisu, Kangmangam, limit, and Malay to never. Maduki limit to Hindokidana, Unzilagadi, Manipur Langat was Sweden, Unzilakani, Manipur Langaki, Puriva Singi Matakta, Tarakani, Masugum Basingi, talk to Navida Makta, Matam Saring at the Tom to Pose, Taubana Chunganina Kali, Madunata Targadi, Haying Tungi Mirona, Nasigi, Langak, Mamangi, Langak Singasibu, Kogi Yamna Tina. Nangni habisi ai smai thamjage
tongan wafam mayam ama aspect mayam ama SG status by scheduled demand committee manipur gi handak lakriba press release amsung tongan national media report mayam se khana bada saru yabi gi ba amsung high subject shita yam comprehensive or analytical opinion mayam pv gi gi da okay please sorry have you
ai minute am da haije akoi ichina sing sinam Hi, Chingdali, which you know, some way come the William Jody, as Modium forward or Germanity, Modi Hindus, the Changram forward, or Kari Hindus, such a quickly forward or Kirke. Assam the quick group that Nippon Hajik, Assam the quick Tapcha Luhairi, Loni Hindus Gatani, Borosi Hindus, Shonwalsi Hindus, Karbishi Hindus, Demasasi Hindus, Hajung Suni, Hindus, Kacharishi Hindus, Rabasi Hindus, Deurishi Hindus, Mishing, Karicha Hindus, or Haidana. Kari one moon high must oi the yard, oi bayad, one at the Toviganu. Hindus were in a cool lion, the Mayam Chingle, which in Opunamak, with due apology, no the Christian has the whole world of Chocolaboni, no the quite a chocolate company. But you know, Muduris, no chocolate or in Okana Tangle. Other no estino, Lotopo, no Yagadane, Yaroido. No Yakoi Amatani, let us not have differentiation. Let us live together. We need how to survive in our own land. So this is not to be debated, to debate at all. This is a quite a genuine demand. Let us also come forward to help. What we help you before you help us. Let us help and live cohesively and closely and harmoniously. Aduga nasayido chin cookie jo mapandi lakpa singsigi. Makoi se trap list shegi mokoi na loina capture toroga nokoi bu COTU makada pusalaga ati naga tribe or ati tribe level nokoi share puna loin lo thokre city. Are you aware or not? I leave it to your wisdom. Hai visina thamjagi.
Okay. Loina ngasigi Norris Dairo ki thamjagi topic demand for ST status hai visida saru yabi ki ba masung yamna tongan bamuru opho mayam phondu pikiba ngasigi steam panel member ani Kunaziriba, Manipur Saknairaba, Socio-Political Commentator, Pong Posong Sonamani, Manipur Saknairaba, senior journalist, editor, Ichel Express, Oza Hemchandra Salam, Anibo Mukana Takachari Kaikunu Ucheri. Loin Nasi programs are hoping to for me in Tabiki Premium television gate through the Ming Tabikiba, YouTube, on the Facebook, Kikutan, Tabico, Manipurium, Mukana Takachari Kaikunu Ucheri, Mam Takachari.